Welcome to Homework Help, Week 4, Day 4. So, first problem says, Haley is going to paint a wall in her bedroom. The bottom part of the wall is a rectangle, 16 feet by 18 feet, and the top part is a triangle, 8 feet high by 18 feet long. What is the total area of the wall? So in this one, guys, I'm going to actually draw a picture to help me out. So I'm going to start with the bottom part of her rectangle, or bottom part of a wall, which is a rectangle, and it says it's 16 by 18. Okay, 16 feet by 18 feet. All right, and the top part is a triangle, which is 8 feet high and 18 feet long. So I already have my 18 feet long here, and it's 8 feet high. Doesn't matter what kind of triangle you draw on it. So this is 8 feet. All right, and it says, what is the total area of the wall? So here's what we've got to do. We've got to find the area of the rectangle, the area of the triangle, and then add them together. So let's start with the rectangle because rectangles tend to be easier. So remember, rectangle is just length times width, so 18 times 16. So if you type in 18 times 16, you'll get 288. So I'm going to write that in the square so I know the square is done. So it's square feet. Now for the triangle, remember triangles are half times the base times the height. So half times the base would be 18 times the height would be 8. And if you type that in, you get 72. So if I add the 288 for the rectangle plus 72, I get my answer of 360 square feet. All right, so in those cases, sometimes drawing a picture will help you out. Now let's go down to the problem below. So in this one, it says graph the ordered pair -5, -5, and its reflection over the y-axis. So the first thing I'm going to do is find -5, -5. So I start at the origin, I go over to -5 and down to the -5 right here, which is where I'm going to put my dot. So let me get my pen on. So -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so I have -5, comma, -5. Now, it also wants the reflection over the y-axis. So I'm going to highlight my y-axis because that helps me make sure I put my reflection in the right spot. Now, if here is my original point, that means my reflection's going to be over here somewhere. So if it's 5 to the left, it's going to be 5 to the right. So I'm going to count 5 to the right. Remember, you start at the y-axis. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that would be at +5, -5. All right, that's it for today's homework help. So I hope that helped. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, make sure you ask me in class. Thanks.